Good morning, dear students. Today we will continue the lesson that we started yesterday, and we will continue on page 6. Okay, so you have to open page 6. Page 6. Okay, and let's start with this question. Compare the values of the underlined digits. So today we will compare between the same numbers, but these numbers in different positions or place value. Okay, so to compare you have to use this chart. Okay, you have to use this chart. So I will use this chart to put each number in its position according to the digits. So we will start. Look, this is the first number, 2304, and this number is 16,135. So first I will put the first number in this chart, and I will put the numbers in the second number in this chart, and then I will compare between number 3 here and number 3 here. So let's start with the first number, 2304. So first I will start from the number 1, or the first number 4. The first number is in the ones digit, so I will put it here. Okay, and the second number, 0, is in the tens digit, so I'll put it right here. And the third number in the hundreds, so it will be here. And the fourth number will be in the 1000s, so I will put it right here. Okay, now I want you to find the value of the number 3 in the hundreds digit. So yesterday I told you that if you want to find the value of the number in the hundreds digit, you have to multiply this number by 100. So to find the value right here, you have to multiply this 3 by 100. Okay, so what is the answer here? 3 multiply 100, it will be 300s, right? You have to multiply 3 by 1 and put the zeros next to the numbers. So this is the value of this number. Now let's see the value of the number 3 here, right here in this number. Now also I will use place value chart to find the value. Why I want you to use this? Because this is the most easiest way, or this is the easiest way to find the value of the number when you have a big numbers like thousands. Okay, so I will start from the first number, number 5. It will be in the ones digit, and number 3 it will be in the tens digit, and number 1 it will be in the hundreds. Continue. Number 6 it will be in the 1000s, and number 1 it will be in the 10,000s. Now let's see number 3. I want to find the value of the digit here. So the digit here is tens. So to find the value of the number in the tens digit, I told you that you have to multiply the number by 10. Okay, so if you multiply 3 by 10, the answer will be 30. Okay, you have to multiply 3 by 1 and put the 0 next to the number. Now compare between the values. So if you want to compare between two numbers has the same, or two numbers have the same number, or two digits have the same number but in different positions, so I have to find the place value of each one, and then you have to compare between the numbers. So which one is the greater? I think 300 is greater than 30. Okay, so this is how you will describe it by base 10 models. 300s in the hundreds digit, you have to describe it by using flat. So you have to use three flats, 1, 2, 3. Now 30 in the tens digit, it is tens number. So you have to describe it by using longs. So you have to describe it by 3 longs. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so which number is the bigger number or greater number? I think 30 is greater than, 300 is greater than 30 by 10 times. Okay, look, because we have here 2 zeros and here we have 1 zero only. So the difference between zeros only 1 zero. Okay, the difference between 2 zeros and 1 zero is 1 zero. So that means this one is greater than this number by 10 times. So the value of 3 in 2304 is 10 times the value of 3 in 16,135. Okay, now let's continue, and now we will solve exercises on page 7. Okay, so open page 7 and let's see these exercises here. First one, complete the table below. Okay, so I want to complete this table or this chart or this schedule as you wish. So first I want you to know the shape that it will be after large cube. So I told you that you have here digits, and each digit you have to describe it by using a base 10 models. And yesterday I told you that there is a pattern, you have to use it and repeat it. What's the meaning of pattern? That's mean there is a shapes here. This shape you will repeat it. So you will start with cube or small cube, then long, then flat, then you will repeat this pattern. So it will be cube. After cube it will be long also. Okay, now this digit is the description, or this long is the description for which digit here. So here I have 1, that's mean this is the ones. This is 10, that's mean this is 10th digit. 100, that's mean this is 100th digit. So look here, the group that I'm talking about, he told me that this is ones, this is 10 ones. Okay, so this is the relationship between this digit, the tens, and the digit before it. So I told you that each digit is 10 times the digit before it. Also hundreds, this is the hundredth digit. So this digit is 10 times the digit before it. So it will be 10 tenths. 100 equals 10 tenths. Now also this is 1,000th. That means this is 1,000th digit. So this digit is 10 times the digit before it. That means 10 times hundreds as here. Okay. Now this is 10,000ths. 10,000ths, the description for it is long, and this 10,000ths is 10 times the 1,000th. That's mean 10 thousandths or 10 thousandths, like this. Okay, now let's continue. This is 100, or this is 100th digit, 100,000th digit. Now what is the description for this digit? After long you have to use flat. Okay, you have to use flat. So the description for this 100,000 will be flat. Now the relationship between 100,000 and 10,000 is, tell me that this digit is 10 times the 10,000th digit. So each 100,000 equal 10 10,000ths. That means this one will be 10. Okay, I will make it closer for you. 10 thousandths. Okay, now let's continue. After 100,000ths I have million. Okay, so I will repeat the to find the shape here or the description here, I will repeat the pattern. After cube, long, flat, I will repeat also cube. Okay, so after that you will find the pattern. So what is the relationship between 1 million and or million digits and 100,000 digit? He told me that the digit will be 10 times the digit before it, so it will be 10. Okay, I'll make it also closer for you. 10 hundreds thousands. Okay, so this is how you will find the relationship between any digit and the digits before it or the digit before it. Okay, now let's continue on exercise number 2. Find the value of the underlined digit. Okay, now I will find the value according to its place or its position. So look, the first number here, this 7 in which digit here? 7 in 100,000 digit. So to find the value of this number is I have to multiply it. I told you, you have to multiply the number by 100,000. So to find the digit right here, you have to multiply 7 by 100,000. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if you multiply this 7, the answer will be 700,000. Okay, so you will find the digit according to its place value or its position. Now what about this one? The number here in the tens digit, number 4. So to find the value of the number, you have to multiply the number by 10, as I said yesterday. So 4 multiplied 10, it will be 40. Okay, let's continue. Number 4. To find the value of this number, you will multiply the number by this number in the 10,000 digit. So you have to multiply the number by 10,000 digit. Okay, so the answer will be 80,000. You have to put this comma to here, here and here. Okay, to separate between the periods. Okay, now let's find the value of this number 5. This 5 in the thousandths digit, 1,000th digit. So to find the value of the number, you have to multiply it by 1,000. So the answer will be 5,000. Okay, and put comma between tens, ones period and thousands period. Okay, now let's continue. Now let's continue, and you want to compare the value of underlined digits. So I want to compare between two thousands and 200s. So I want to compare between this 2 and this 2. First you have to find the digits of each one. So this 2, okay, I'll make it closer for you. This 2 in the tens, in the hundredths digit. Okay, this 2 in the hundredths digit, and this 2 in the thousandths digit. I told you here in this chart that the relationship between hundreds here, between hundreds and thousands, that the thousands is greater than the hundreds by 10 times. So this 2 in the thousandths digit is greater than this 2 in the hundredths digit by what? Of course, by 10 times. So to find here the relationship, the value of 2 in thousands or in 2000s is 10 times the value of 2 in 200s. So that's mean this 2 is greater than this one. Okay, now let's see number 7. Now I want you to compare between this 4 in 40 and this 4 in 400s. Okay, so which one is the greater? Look, I'm talking about hundreds. I will return to the chart. I'm talking about hundreds and tens. Okay, hundreds and tens. So which one is the greater? Of course, hundreds is greater than tens by 10 times. Okay, so the value of 4 in 400s is 10 times the value of 4 in 40. Okay, so this is our lesson today. I hope that you understand it very well, the relationship between digits, and thank you.